The Arctic Tundra by Cameron. Introduction. Have you ever wondered what goes on in the Arctic tundra? Well, there are lots of things you probably don't know about. This includes the sun not setting and ice melting. Arctic tundra. When the sun doesn't set. In the Arctic tundra, the sun in the summer doesn't set for weeks or maybe even months. The brightest day of the year, though, is the summer solstice. The sun does not set above the Arctic Circle when it is winter. In Alaska, the state's northernmost community named Barrow, the sun does not set for more than 2.5 months. When the sun doesn't set for weeks, you get sun even at midnight. This midnight sun is a natural phenomenon that occurs in the summer in places northern than the Arctic Circle. Midnight sun is also called polar day, and the opposite is polar night. This is midnight sun in Canada's Arctic tundra. The solstices. When the summer solstice occurs, this is the moment when the Earth's tilt toward the sun is at maximum. Solstices occur only twice a year on June 21st and December 22nd. The winter solstice occurs in December when the sun reaches its southernmost latitude, and this marks the first day of winter. The two solstices are the brightest and darkest days of the year. This is the winter solstice, marking the first day of winter. This is the summer solstice. What is the Arctic tundra? The Arctic tundra is a place where only the toughest plants and animals can survive. This habitat has a long and rough winter, and the landscape provides many challenges. It is very cold and has no trees. It has lots of low, swampy plains. It is far north around the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic tundra is part of the tundra biome that is so big that it covers about 20% of the Earth's surface. These tough plants are surviving in the Arctic tundra. What is making the ice melt? Increasing temperatures in the Arctic tundra has been making a big impact on permafrost melting. Climate change has had a very big effect on why polar ice caps are melting. Another reason why the Arctic is heating up is because of global warming. This ice is melting because of climate change and global warming. Conclusion. The Arctic tundra is a very interesting and unique environment. This tundra is like no other with its ice melting, the sun not setting for half a year. Polar bear in the Arctic tundra.